Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalato wa salam ya Rasool Allah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Alaikum wa barakato. Today I'm going to share the experience of a brother in his own narration. He says that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with lots of happiness, and the best way to spread the message of durood wa salam, durood and salawat. I want to share something with you. I'm deeply convinced of the blessings and miracles of Durood Sharif, and have seen a lot with my eyes that how Durood Sharif has saved me from every problem, sorrow and pain. A strange incident happened a few days ago that I still don't understand. The incident is something like this. I was sitting in my office doing my everyday work with my computer screen in front of me. I was reciting salawat and counting it on the counter ring in my left hand. And at the same time, I was listening to a naat on my mobile. So sometimes I would look at the mobile screen, and sometimes, mostly I was actually busy in my work. So while listening to naat, all of a sudden I had a look at the mobile, and I saw the brother Rasool Allah. The sooner I saw it, I got so absorbed in it, and I started thinking that I wish I could be there. Anyways, I started crying, and I kept reciting Durood Sharif. After a while, I finished my work, and I just, got up to stretch a little bit. And then all of a sudden, I smelled this beautiful fragrance. I live in Saudi Arabia and have used a lot of expensive perfumes, but I have never ever smelled such a mesmerizing scent. So I asked my colleagues who was wearing this perfume. Nobody was wearing such a perfume. And then I realized that the scent was actually coming from my face. So what happened that while I was reciting Durood Sharif, I had placed my hand on my face in such a way that half of my lips and nose were covered. And I was reciting and salawat, and I was imagining rather Rasool Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and I was crying all at the same time. And that fragrance was exactly coming from that spot on my face. I even asked the cleaning boy if he did use some cleaning thing, which had the same scent, but no, it wasn't the case. Anyways, I was mesmerized. I enjoyed it. I was hoping that this scent could stay with me forever. But it stayed with me till evening, and then it vanished. So this was my first-hand experience. And I'm a regular reciter of salawat every day. And I would urge everyone to recite salawat on daily basis regularly. So this is the experience of a brother who shared with me this year. And I pray that may Allah Ta'ala enable us to recite salawat every day. Make it a part of our lives, which we could never forget. May Allah Ta'ala fill our hearts with the love of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, not only in this world, but in Akhirah as well. And bless us with the company of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in both worlds. Ameen, summa ameen. Assalato wa salam ya Rasool Allah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa barakato.